Have you ever felt immense pride when something from your homeland shines on the global stage? That's exactly how Ghanaians feel about Kantanka Automobile. It's not just about cars, it's about rewriting Africa's story of innovation and self-reliance. Join us as we explore this transformative journey. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating story of Kantanka Automobile, from their bold vision to groundbreaking innovations and the broader impact they're having. On Ghana's economy, we'll cover it all. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories about Africa's rise. Let's get into it. A bold vision for Africa. For years, Africa's automotive sector was dominated by imported vehicles, many of which weren't suited for the continent's unique conditions. Dr. Kwadwo Safo, the visionary founder of Kantanka Automobile, had a revolutionary idea. Why not design and manufacture vehicles specifically tailored to African roads, climate, and lifestyle? This bold vision led to the birth of Kantanka Automobile, a company dedicated to making Africa self-reliant in the automotive industry. Kantanka's journey began with a clear mission to provide practical, high-quality solutions for African markets. Over the years, they've stayed true to this mission, building vehicles that combine innovation with an understanding of local needs. Their commitment to sustainability and self-reliance has turned what once seemed impossible into a thriving reality. But what exactly makes Kantanka's vehicles stand out? Let's explore some of their most groundbreaking creations. A glimpse at the stars of Kantanka's lineup. Kantanka Automobile has introduced an impressive lineup of vehicles, each designed to solve specific challenges in Africa. Here are some of their standout models. Number 1. Kantanka Onano. The Onano is the epitome of modern luxury and rugged functionality. Designed to handle both city streets and off-road terrain, this SUV offers advanced technology, a stylish exterior, and a durable build. Whether you're navigating urban traffic or heading on an adventurous road trip, the Onano has you covered. Number 2. Kantanka Oka. The Oka is a state-of-the-art armored military vehicle that highlights Kantanka's versatility. Built for security and strength, it's a clear example of Ghana's potential to produce world-class defense equipment. This vehicle is not only functional, but also a symbol of national pride. Number 3. Kantanka Hu. Agricultural innovation takes center stage with the Hu, a high-tech corn harvester designed to revolutionize farming in Africa. This machine reduces manual labor and boosts efficiency, making it a game-changer for farmers across the continent. Number 4. Kantanka Nyaba. Perhaps the most revolutionary of them all, the Nyaba is an irrigation truck with a 14,000-liter tank. It combines irrigation, organic fertilization, and pest control into one multi-purpose vehicle. This innovation is transforming agriculture by providing farmers with an all-in-one solution to some of their biggest challenges. The Kantanka Nyaba. Agriculture remains the backbone of many African economies, yet it often struggles with outdated practices and resource limitations. Enter the Kantanka Nyaba, a groundbreaking irrigation truck that's changing the game for farmers across Ghana and beyond. Efficient water use. Water scarcity is a major issue in many parts of Africa. The Nyaba's 14,000-liter capacity ensures even water distribution across large farmlands, reducing waste and maximizing efficiency. This means farmers can cultivate more land with fewer resources. Year-round farming. The Nyaba enables irrigation, even during the dry season, breaking the dependency on rainfall. This innovation allows farmers to grow crops year-round, improving food security and providing a steady income. Integrated solutions. By combining irrigation, organic fertilization, and pest control, the Nyaba eliminates the need for multiple tools and labor-intensive methods. This not only saves time, but also reduces costs, making farming more sustainable and profitable. Farmers who have adopted the Nyaba have already reported significant improvements in productivity. The vehicle is not just a tool, it's a lifeline for communities that depend on agriculture. The Onano. While the Nyaba focuses on agriculture, the Kantanka Onano is a celebration of modernity and luxury. This SUV is perfect for families, professionals, and adventurers alike. Its robust design makes it ideal for Africa's rugged terrains, while its stylish exterior and advanced features make it a head-turner in urban settings. For many Ghanaians in the diaspora, owning an Onano is more than just buying a car. It's about supporting local innovation and staying connected to home. The Onano proves that Africa can produce vehicles that rival global brands in both quality and design. The broader impact: economic growth and opportunity. Kantanka. Automobiles. Success is about more than just vehicles. It's about transformation on multiple levels. Here's how the company is contributing to Ghana's economy and beyond. Job creation. Kantanka's operations have created thousands of jobs for Ghanaians, from manufacturing to maintenance. This includes opportunities for both skilled and unskilled workers, boosting employment across the country. Reduced import dependency. By producing vehicles locally, Kantanka reduces Ghana's reliance on expensive imports. This keeps money within the economy and strengthens local industries, creating a ripple effect of growth. Technical expertise. The company's focus on innovation has led to investments in technical training and education. By equipping young Ghanaians with valuable skills, Kantanka is building a foundation for long-term industrial growth. Global competitiveness. Kantanka's vehicles showcase Ghana's ability to produce world-class products. This boosts the country's reputation as a hub for innovation and attracts foreign investors looking for opportunities in Africa. Overcoming challenges. Despite its success, Kantanka faces challenges that must be addressed for sustained growth. Here are some key areas to focus on. Government support. Policies like tax incentives for local manufacturers and improved infrastructure can help Kantanka thrive. Public-private partnerships. Collaboration between government, private companies, and international organizations can unlock new opportunities. Consumer awareness. Educating the public about the benefits of supporting local industries is crucial for increasing demand. By tackling these challenges head-on, Kantanka can continue to grow and inspire other African innovators. A model for Africa. Kantanka's success has far-reaching implications for the continent. Here's why their journey matters. Agricultural transformation. The Nyaba's innovative approach can serve as a model for other countries facing similar agricultural challenges. By adopting such solutions, Africa can improve food security and boost economic growth. Technological independence. By producing its own vehicles and equipment, Africa reduces its reliance on imports and builds a self-sufficient economy. This fosters resilience and empowers local industries. Inspiration for innovators. Kantanka's story proves that African ingenuity knows no bounds. Their journey can inspire the next generation of entrepreneurs to dream big and tackle the continent's unique challenges. The unveiling of Kantanka's latest lineup has sparked excitement across Ghana and beyond. Farmers are optimistic about the Nyaba's potential to transform agriculture, while urban professionals are drawn to the luxury and functionality of the Onano. Industry leaders and government officials are praising Kantanka's ingenuity, signaling a bright future for local innovation. Africa is on the rise, and companies like Kantanka are leading the charge. By supporting homegrown industries, we're not just building products, we're building a legacy that will shape the continent's future. If you found this story inspiring, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content about Africa's growth and innovation. What do you think about Kantanka's latest innovations? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.